Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the genetic code, properties or features of genetic code. First we should know what is genetic code. Genetic code means genetical information present on the mRNA that codes for the protein, that is amino acid. And in there are 8 properties are there. Those are the first one, genetic code is universal. Genetic code is universal. Genetic code is universal means this genetic code is present in the all living organisms. For example, UU is the codes for the phenylalanine. It is present in the all living organisms. Phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. This is the universal genetic code. Next, what is triplet codon? Triplet codon means this is the 3 nucleotides are present. 3 nucleotides are present means UAA, UUU. These are the 3 nucleotides. These 3 nucleotides forms as a group. This group is indicated as we call it codon. This codon helps to synthesis or formation of protein. This is the triplet codon. Next, third one, initiator codon. Initiator codon. Initiator codon means this helps to the initiate the translation. Initiation of translation by the initiator codon means AUG is the acts as an initiator codon. It codes for the methionine. If AUG is absent, GUG acts as an initiator codon. GUG is the codes for the GUG acts the codes for the valine. Means like a in charge. If AUG is absent, then GUG acts as an initiator codon. This AUG is codes for the methionine, GUG is code for the valine. Next, fourth one, terminator codon. Opposite of the initiator codon. Terminator means which terminates the translation by using the terminator codon. That is 3 codons. 3 terminator codons are there. Those are UAA, UAG, UGA. UAA is called Okera. This UAG is called Amber. This UGA is called Opal. These 3 are the terminator codon. Next, commaless. Fifth one, commaless. Commaless means in sequences of 3 nucleotides. For example, UAA, GUG, AUG. In between 3 nucleotides there is no comma and there is no dash. The continuous sequences nucleotides are there. This is commaless. This is the properties of genetic code. Next, sixth one, non-overlapping. Non-overlapping means in mRNA, this is RNA. In RNA, AUG, these are the nucleotides. AUG, GUG. In between these nucleotides, there is no overlap. Means this is the specific codon. This specific codon codes for the specific amino acid only. There is no like this overlap. There is no overlap. Specific codons codes for the specific amino acid only. This is the non-overlapping. Next, sensible codon. Sensible means the specific amino acid codes for the specific amino acid only. For example, AUG as the initiator codon bits that codes for the methionine only, not for valine. This is the sensible codon bit codes for the specific amino acid only. Next, degeneracy. Eighth one, last one is degeneracy. What is degeneracy? Degeneracy means in triplet codon system there are 64 codons are there. In that 64 codon, 3 codons are acts as a terminator codon. They do not code for the any amino acid. And remaining 61 codon codes for the 20 amino acid because few amino acid coded by the more than 2 codons. That's why this 61 codons are codes for the 20 amino acids. This phenomena is called degeneracy. These all are the properties or features of genetic code. One easy method is there. This 8 properties means one easy method is there. For example, means G, GT, IT, GT, IT, CNS means central nervous system. Like this, we should remember CNS and D. Now we can write G means genetic code is universal. Genetic code is universal. T means triplet codon. I means initiator codon. Initiation. Terminate. Termination code. Termination. C means commaless. N means non-overlapping. S means sensible. D means degeneracy. These are the 8 properties of genetic code. Easy method like GT, IT, CNS, D. Means genetic code is universal. Genetic code is universal means this codon is present in the all living organisms. That is the U is the codes U is the codes for the phenylalanine. This present in the all living organism. Next, triplet codon means the 3 group of nucleotides are present. That is called triplet codon. And the initiation. What is initiation? Initiation means it helps to the formation of translation. It initiate the translation process by using translator codon. Like termination means that terminates the translation by using terminator codon. Commaless means there is no comma in between the 3 nucleotides. And non-overlapping means there is no shareable, means the shareable of one nucleotide or letter to the another genetic codon, another codon, means there is no sharing in between 2 codons. That is called non-overlapping. And sensible means there is specific the specific codon codes for the specific amino acid only. This is sensible. Degeneracy means in triplet codon system there are 64 codons present in the triplet codon system. In that 3 codons are acts as a terminator codon. That is UAA, UAG, UGA. That is Okera, Umber, and Opal. These are the terminator codon. And in that 61 codons codes for the 20 amino acid because few amino acids are coded by the more than 2 codons. This is called degeneracy. These all are the properties or features of genetic code. Okay, thank you.